Russia records 10,000 coronavirus cases in a day as Italy emerges from lockdown. Russia reported over 10,000 new coronavirus cases on May 3, marking its fourth single-day increase in a row. The country has reported a total of 134,687 confirmed cases of COVID-19 and 1,280 deaths due to the disease. Russia has the seventh highest number of COVID-19 cases in the world, but according to their coronavirus response headquarters, more than half of these cases were asymptomatic. Moscow, the capital of Russia and its most populous city, is also the country's worst-hit city, accounting for more than half of Russia's total cases. Russian President Vladimir Putin recently extended the country's isolation period until May 11 because the situation is still very serious. He said the peak is not behind us. We are about to face a new and grueling phase of the pandemic. The deadly threat of the virus remains. CNN reports that Russian health workers are growing angry as 24 of the country's hospitals have had to close for quarantines. Doctors have fallen sick while medical frontliners have had to work without adequate protection. Russian Prime Minister Mikhail Mishustin, who is coronavirus positive, said it would be impossible to tell when COVID-19 restrictions in Russia would be lifted and when borders could be reopened. While some provinces in China have begun to lift their lockdown restrictions, Harbin city on the border with Russia has closed all dining restaurants after it was revealed that an April 10 flight from Moscow triggered a new wave of cases. Cases in Suifin city on the border with Russia's Far East have been traced back to Chinese nationals who came from Russia. Russian military academies and the Russian Defense Ministry have reportedly also recorded COVID-19 cases among their cadets, personnel, and civilian staff. In contrast, Italy, one of the worst-hit countries by the coronavirus, has begun to gradually reopen after their 2-month lockdown. According to ABC News, there are now fewer than 100,000 people currently positive for coronavirus in Italy. The country has recorded over 29,000 deaths due to COVID-19, but Italy's statistics agency says the real number is possibly much higher than that. The total number of cases in Italy is now at 211,938, but they registered only 1,221 new cases, marking the lowest number of new cases since the start of their lockdown.